the 2014 Ford Fiesta. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Both high fuel economy and flexible performance are assured by the 6-speed automatic transmission. Ford paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: front and rear reading lights, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, turn signal indicator mirrors, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Come on in and take a test drive.